This is not your usual Anonas burger spot. These burgers are named after Philippine streets and the patties, thick, juicy, and mas affordable, kaya for me, it's a must try. I'm always on the lookout for hidden gem food, affordable but sulit, and this kept popping on my feed, Calzada Burger. Tapos, yung Anonas branch nila is near the LRT station lang, kaya easy food trip. Very chill, laid-back vibe, meron ding outdoor kaya mukhang masaya dito pag gabi. Perfect for quick bites, late-night cravings, and casual dates. But here's the twist. Burgers inspired by iconic Filipino streets like EDSA and Commonwealth, fun and relatable agad. I tried 4 of their burgers. Hawaii is my favorite. That pineapple adds a sweet savory kick that just works. Even my daughter loved it. Skyway, this one's loaded. Double thick patties, cheese sauce, special sauce, all in. Nagustuhan ko rin yung double smash nila. Caramelized onions, cheese, burger sauce, simple but solid. And their pizza burger, unexpected. Tomato sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, burger meets pizza. Sabi nung iba weird daw, pero for me it works. Also try their cheesy bacon fries, red velvet frappe, at dahil ang init nag-strawberry and mango juice ako, perfect combo with the burgers. For the price, not bad at all ha. Thick, meaty patties that feel more premium than your usual budget burger. People love this spot for a reason. Juicy, creative, and generous servings. Aside from Anonas, madami pa silang ibang branches. If you're here, anong una mong itatry?